there, I'm Deborah, and in this video, we're going to be diving into the world of APIs. We're going to be discussing an essential developer tool that I think every developer that works with APIs should have in their toolkit. We're going to be discussing the services that this product offers, the features, while I walk you through how to get started on it. Our developer tool for this video is Postman. Postman is a versatile API development tool that simplifies the process of building, testing, and managing APIs. Whether you're a seasoned developer or you're just starting out, whether you're a quality assurance tester, Postman has something for everyone. If you do not know what APIs are, let me break it down a little bit for you. Application programming interfaces, also called APIs, are services that have all the information you need to build whatever it is you're building. For example, you're building a weather forecast app, and your app needs to show the weather of, let's say, 20 countries, but you don't have the real time weather for all those countries stored in your app. You will need to call an API that does. These APIs allow your website to send and receive data from them. Think of them like messengers. What does Postman do? Postman is a tool that you use to interact with these APIs during the development process. Here is how it works and why it's so handy. Postman provides developers with a single tool that covers the entire API development lifecycle, from creation to testing to collaboration. Back to our weather app, imagine how tasking and time consuming it would be to begin to store all weather information of about 20 different countries one by one in real time. Exhausting, yeah? Postman helps developers to be more productive and efficient, ultimately leading to better quality APIs and applications. With Postman, you can easily create requests to that weather app service and ask for the weather data that you need. For example, the weather for Abu Dhabi in 8 o'clock GMT. Once you've made your request, Postman shows you the response from the API so that you're sure that you're receiving the right data. Tools, Postman tools, which include the API clients. It automatically detects the language of the response links and formats. With API design, you can design your API specifications in Postman using OpenAPI, GraphQL, SOAP formats. For API documentation, you can make documentation a core part of your API workflow with Postman's automatic documentation features. You can run your tests directly in Postman or as part of your command line pipeline through Newman. With Postman's mock servers, you are enabled to see exactly how your API would run even before it's in production. The Postman monitors, they help you to stay up to date on the health of your and performance of your APIs. And then finally, the API detection. How to get started. You can simply just sign up and get started with Postman for free. Is user friendly, it's time saving, and it has comprehensive features. Some of these comprehensive features are the Postman API platform. So wherever you are in your journey, you have enterprise essentials such as Postman for internal API management. This is for the devs in the engineering teams. Then there's also Postman for API test automations for the quality assurance teams. And then if you want the all-in-one package, and there's Enterprise Ultimate. If you're still confused on how and where to start, you can check out several tutorials on the Postman website at postman.com. So quickly, we're just going to go right in there. So you want to come to postman.com as we are here, and to sign in, let's just sign up for free. Here you're free to put in your work email, or you can just sign in up with Google. Continue. role, front-end developer. You can just choose to fill this as it applies to you. So it brings you over to this workspace area where you have this new, and then you can import your workspace. You can send an API request right here and import to URLs and collections and so much more. You can call REST API, go up to speed with testing REST API on Postman, integrating testing basics and API documentation, all the things that we have talked about before. And then this is just my workspace. So basically, that's it. It's pretty easy to use. It's as easy as clicking these buttons right here. You can import, you can bring a new HTTP, GraphQL, WebSocket, Sockets IO, and you can import, post your file here, and that's it.